The Euro-USD price trades within a bearish trend, where the recent price formed a corrective momentum. In that case, the ideal approach for this pair has become to look for a short-term bearish breakout, expecting the trend continuation. In the weekly Euro-USD price, the recent price did not confirm the bottom yet, as the price showed a rebound after testing the 100-day simple moving average level, SMA. Meanwhile, other technical indicators suggest a flat market pressure below the midline. In the daily Euro-USD chart, the technical outlook is neutral, as several indecisions were seen in the candlestick chart. However, the dynamic 20 EMA works as a crucial resistance, while the 120 EMA level showed a convergence at the 1.08 static level. Meanwhile, other technical indicators remained stuck to the midline, suggesting an absence of a clear direction. The October 12th high at 1.06 would be a crucial resistance to look at, as breaking above this area could open room for reaching the 1.07 level. As the existing market momentum is bearish, a trend continuation could lower the price towards the 1.05 level, before reaching the 1.04 level.